How to hide your activity status on WhatsApp. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can hide your activity status on WhatsApp. So all you need to do is simply get into your Play Store and make sure that your WhatsApp application is updated. And if it's not, just do it because the new features won't be available on the previous versions of the WhatsApp. So now once you get into your WhatsApp, all you need to do is simply open up your WhatsApp and get to that three dotted bar option that is at the top right corner, and once you tap on it, a dialog box appears stating numerous options just like new group, new broadcast, link devices, starred messages, and settings. You need to get into settings, and when this kind of page appears up, all you need to do is simply get into accounts. The account would consist of options like privacy, security, two-step verification, change number, request info, delete my account. You need to get into privacy, and once you get into privacy, who can see my personal info, and there are several options. That means last seen nobody, profile photo everyone can see that, and about everyone can see that, and status my contact. So what you need to do is get into your last seen and make it to nobody. By this you can hide your activity status on your WhatsApp, and nobody would be able to see that whether you're online or on offline on your WhatsApp. So this is how you do it. This is how you hide your activity status on WhatsApp. And if you guys still have any question or query regarding it, just comment down below. I would love to answer that. And make sure that you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe the channel of How to Digital. And click that bell icon so that you can receive notifications about amazing videos just like these. So that is it. With this being said, see you next time. Till then, peace.